Yo, what's good guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood. I hope you are too. I was making this beat and I was like, bro, I gotta record the whole process, so that's why I'm turning on the camera right now, and let's just continue making this fire beat. All the sounds that I'm using, like always, are in the link in the description or at astrosample.com. Make sure to check out my previous video as well. It's super fire, super fun to watch. I made the craziest, darkest beat for like Batman. I don't know, that's the title of the video, but it's just, the beat is insane. Make sure to go check it out after this video, but let's just dive right into it. Let's get it. Something like that.
Kelly on my little boo. I know the next day you watch what I do. That's a lot of friends. Yeah, try pics, I won't be spared. Yeah, new piece, I'm on clear. Everything on that list took care of it. She know I'm a rare beat. She like niggas who ain't your birdie. She's a beautiful, she a birdie. Now my niggas send up with no doubt. Yeah, I pray for my brothers, hoping they don't get caught. Yeah, tryna get that balance up to see how I'm on the spot. No spot, no will, and proud of my mother and my little boo. Yeah, and I ain't talking Kelly on my little boo. I know the next day you watch what I do. That's
like the drums a lot. If you want smacking drums like this, make sure to check out the link in the description, as well as all the sounds that I'm using at astrosample.com. This was a casual sunny day cook up, you know what I'm saying? It's one of those days where I just like let the creativity flow, like always. But hope you enjoyed it, hope especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, guys.